So I'm at Far Enough Farms right now, and I'm gonna be interviewing some animals because part of my job as a host is to do interviews. And what better subjects to interview than animals? So let's do this. All right, so I'm about to interview my good friend, the miniature zebu. Hey guys, do you have a few minutes? Awesome, all right, do you guys call yourselves zebus or zebus? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What is your regular day in the office like? I wanted to interview some horses, but I couldn't follow it up on anything. I just wanted to show you the butt. Boy, you guys are the life of a party. You guys are a hoof and a half, am I right? Oh yeah. You guys really just don't want to answer my questions. It's all right. I'll just chill with you guys. I mean, birds of a feather, am I right? For real, you guys are pretty chill. Huh? Huh? Tough crowd. Hey buddy, what you doing? You eating? I'm pretty hungry myself. Maybe next time, alpaca bigger lunch. Did you like that, buddy? If you want to see more vlogs, click that subscribe button. We have new vlogs every single Friday. And yeah, we'll see you next time.